everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Traverse. Now this specific Traverse is a 1LS that has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Now this car does come custom with your black Chevy decals, custom grille, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black Chevy Traverse sign, back tinted windows, and also a black Chevy sign on the back as well. Now for the month of April, Apple Chevrolet is offering almost $3,000 off this specific vehicle for all of its customers. When we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating that comes with a tan lining. We do have a leather center console that also has the tan lining. We have all-weather floor mats, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.